Hey friends, thanks for joining me on Something Contemporary. This is just a little segment where we cover some contemporary music, maybe some in our repertoire and something brand new. If there's a specific contemporary hymn you'd like to hear, just please post a comment on the Facebook post that sent you to this link, and I'd love to hear from you, and I'll add it to the list. So, as we're coming up on Good Shepherd Sunday, uh, we don't usually have a contemporary piece to highlight Good Shepherd Sunday or specifically Psalm 23. So I was looking for something that would fill that little niche because that's something I'm also always looking for, especially for the unplugged kids. So the one I found is actually a Stuart Townsend setting, and yeah, it's just a really nice setting. The one thing I love about Stuart Townsend's writing of contemporary hymns is they're very, very singable. I don't feel like they're heavily syncopated to a point where it might make it hesitant for some to want to sing along. Many of his the melodies are very repetitive in a way that makes it easy to access to a lot of people. So many of the times when we get a chance to do a Townsend, I'm always excited because it does keep to that more traditional concept of a melody, but it has definitely more of those contemporary characteristics, which, yeah, I like the best of both worlds, and I like living into the traditional, but also really enjoying something that has relevant language and harmonies that really do speak to our times. So, alrighty. I'm going to play through it in its entirety first, and then I'll start the hymn. Remember, you can also sing along. I'll put the lyrics in the description below. So, yeah, please feel to enjoy. And enjoy. that was Stuart Townend's Psalm 23. Thank you once again for joining me on Something Contemporary. Again, if you have a specific request for a contemporary song you'd like to hear, please leave it in the comments on the Facebook post that linked you to here. And once again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.